Having a vegan guest over for dinner shouldn't be a reason to stress. In fact, it can be a wonderful opportunity to explore new culinary horizons and show your guests how much you care about their preferences and lifestyle choices. It's all about being a good host and making everyone feel welcome. Setting the table with care, ensuring that everyone has a place, and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere are the first steps to a successful gathering. Just think of it as an opportunity to try something new. Experimenting with vegan ingredients can be a fun and rewarding experience. You might discover new flavors and textures that you never knew existed. Vegan food can be absolutely delicious, and you might even find yourself craving these dishes long after your guest has left. From vibrant salads to hearty stews, the possibilities are endless. The best part is, you don't need to be a professional chef to whip up some amazing vegan dishes. With a little creativity and some basic ingredients, you can create meals that are both satisfying and nutritious. There are tons of easy and delicious recipes out there that will impress everyone at the table, vegan or not. Let's get cooking. Whether it's a simple pasta dish, a flavorful curry, or a decadent dessert, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and let's make this dinner party one to remember. The joy of sharing a meal with loved ones is truly unmatched, and with a little effort, you can make it a memorable experience for all. Let's start with the classic, the humble sandwich. But don't underestimate the power of a well-made vegan chickpea salad sandwich. It's hearty, flavorful, and perfect for a light lunch or a satisfying dinner. Simply mash chickpeas with some vegan mayo, Dijon mustard, chopped celery, and red onion. Season it generously with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. You can toast the bread for extra crunch or enjoy it fresh. It's that simple. Next up, we're tackling a game day favorite, buffalo wings. But we're giving it a twist that will surprise and delight your taste buds. Instead of the traditional chicken, we're using cauliflower. This veggie is not only a healthier option, but also absorbs flavors beautifully. Trust me, you won't even miss the meat. Cauliflower is versatile and can be transformed into a delicious, crispy treat. Start by cutting the cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Then toss them in a mixture of flour, spices, and a little plant-based milk. This batter will give the cauliflower a nice coating that crisps up perfectly in the oven. The spices add a depth of flavor that makes each bite irresistible. Spread the battered cauliflower on a baking tray and bake them until they're golden and crispy. This usually takes about 25-30 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The high heat ensures they get that perfect crunch on the outside while staying tender on the inside. While the cauliflower is baking, you can whip up a quick vegan ranch dip. Combine vegan mayo, plant-based yogurt, dill, chives, garlic powder, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This dip is cool, creamy, and the perfect complement to the spicy cauliflower wings. Once the cauliflower is done baking, toss the florets in your favorite hot sauce. Make sure each piece is well coated. Serve the buffalo cauliflower wings hot with the cool and creamy vegan ranch dip on the side. This dish is perfect for game day or anytime you're craving something spicy and satisfying. For our final dish, let's dive into a comforting bowl of creamy vegan pasta. This dish is perfect for those cozy nights when you crave something warm and satisfying, yet want to keep it healthy and plant-based. You can use any pasta shape you like, but I love using penne or fusilli. These shapes hold the creamy sauce beautifully, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. The secret to the creamy sauce? Cashews. These little nuts are incredibly versatile and create a rich velvety texture when blended. Soak raw cashews in hot water for about 30 minutes. This softens them up, making them easier to blend into a smooth sauce. Then blend them with vegetable broth. The broth adds depth and a savory base to our sauce. Add nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor without any dairy, and don't forget the garlic for that extra kick. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings enhance the overall flavor profile of the dish. Cook your pasta according to the package instructions, then toss it with the creamy cashew sauce. Make sure every piece of pasta is well coated. Now let's add some veggies. Asparagus, mushrooms, and spinach are great choices. They not only add color, but also a variety of textures and nutrients. Finally, top it off with sun-dried tomatoes. Their tangy flavor complements the creamy sauce perfectly. And there you have it, a delicious, comforting bowl of creamy vegan pasta with a twist. Enjoy! Section 5. Vegan doesn't mean less than. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Vegan food? Will it be flavorful enough? I'm here to tell you that vegan food can be bursting with flavor. It's all about using fresh, high-quality ingredients and getting creative with spices and herbs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor profiles. Think smoky, spicy, tangy, savory. The possibilities are endless. Section 6. Flavor as the common ground. Remember, the goal is to create dishes that everyone can enjoy, regardless of their dietary preferences. Focus on building layers of flavor that will tantalize everyone's taste buds. A little bit of sweetness, a touch of acidity, a hint of spice. These are the elements that make food sing. Section 7. Quick, easy, and delicious debunking vegan myths. Another misconception about vegan cooking is that it's time-consuming and complicated. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Many vegan dishes can be whipped up in under 30 minutes, making them perfect for busy weeknights. Plus, with a little planning, you can easily prep some components ahead of time, like chopping vegetables or soaking cashews. Section 8. Opening minds one bite at a time. The beauty of food is its ability to bring people together. By creating delicious and inclusive meals, we have the opportunity to open minds and break down barriers. So next time you're hosting a dinner party, don't shy away from including some plant-based options. You might be surprised at how much everyone enjoys them. Section 9. Join the plant-based party. Vegan food is for everyone. It's about enjoying delicious and satisfying meals while being mindful of our health and the planet. So let's get cooking and spread the plant-based love.